Hi, so I'm going to show you how to do a copy, print and scan using the wireless system. Now the first thing is we need to switch on the printer and also go to your Android device like iPhone or Android phone and just download the HP Smart app, which is an app like this. So that app you have to download from the App Store, and once we download the app, then we go on the printer's display panel. Now go to the printer's display panel and switch on the printer's Wi-Fi light. As you can see this icon, press it once. Then we go to the Android device again and we open the Wi-Fi network. Now open the Wi-Fi network and connect to the HP Deskjet 2600 series printer Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's connected. If it's ask a password, you can enter the password like 1234567 and now go to the HP Smart app again. Open this app. Now we need to add this printer here. Click on the plus button. You will see the name of the printer. Click on that. Now we can see printer details are available. Here you can see it has a copy, then it has a printer scan, and it has a print documents option. So now I'm going to show you how to do copy. And we can do it from the printer's control panel. Here is two buttons are there. One is for black, one is for color. So click on the black copy once and it will start to print. And this is the output tray, and to do the print we have to go here, open the print document, select any document you want and just click on the print section here. So you will see this display screen and it also tells the name of the printer on the top. So you can select the number of copies and the page range as well. So for example, I'm going to just print only one, and once it is done, click on print button and just wait for the printer. So you will see it has started to print. Now to do a copy again, we open the printer scanner flatbed. You can place, for example, this copy print scan page here facing downwards, and now go to the app and you will see here at the bottom there is a printer scan option. Click on that, click on scan and just wait for the printer. So this way you can do copy, print and scan. So I hope you will enjoy the video. And this is a wireless print and scan. So here you can see it has transferred the scan here. Sorry, I'll just adjust the light so that you can see clearly. So here it is. So as we can see, thanks for watching.